Welcome to our Canvas.js tutorial. If you're ready to create interactive, data-driven charts with minimal code, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Canvas.js offers an easy-to-use, high-performance charting library to bring your data to life. In this video, we'll introduce you to Canvas.js, walk you through its features, and show you how to set it up for your next project. Let's dive in. Canvas.js is a powerful JavaScript charting library that allows you to create beautiful, interactive charts. With just a few lines of code, you can visualize your data in a variety of formats such as line, bar, pie, and even more advanced charts. Whether you're building reports, dashboards, or real-time data visualizations, Canvas.js provides a simple and flexible solution that integrates easily into any web application. But that's just the beginning. Canvas.js is designed for developers of all levels, whether you're just getting started with JavaScript or you're a seasoned pro. Its intuitive API and rich features allow you to create stunning charts without overwhelming you with complexity. You can focus on your data and presentation, while Canvas.js handles the heavy lifting, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience for users on any device. No steep learning curves, just powerful results. One of the standout features of Canvas.js is its exceptional performance. It's optimized to handle large datasets efficiently, even when you're working with thousands of data points. This means your charts load fast and stay responsive, no matter how complex they are. Whether you're visualizing massive data sets or real-time updates, Canvas.js ensures smooth, lag-free rendering, which is crucial for applications that need to keep users engaged without any delays. Canvas.js shines when it comes to real-time data. Its built-in features allow your charts to automatically update as new data comes in, with minimal lag or disruption. Whether you're displaying real-time stock market trends, IoT sensor data, or social media activity, Canvas.js handles real-time updates like a pro. No need for complex solutions, Canvas.js simplifies it all, letting your charts stay fresh and interactive with every data refresh. Another feature that makes Canvas.js stand out is its built-in responsiveness. You don't need to write additional code or tweak settings for mobile or tablet views. The library automatically adjusts the chart size to fit the user's screen, ensuring that your data visualization looks perfect on any device. From large desktop monitors to tiny smartphone screens, your charts will scale seamlessly, providing an optimal viewing experience everywhere. Getting started with Canvas.js is a breeze. First, you can choose how to include the library in your project, either by linking to a CDN or by downloading the library files directly. The CDN method is fast and easy. Just add a simple script tag to your HTML, and you're ready to go. If you prefer downloading, head over to the Canvas.js website, grab the zip file, and extract it to your project directory. Both methods are quick, so you can get started without any hassle. To use Canvas.js via the CDN, all you need is one line of code. Just include the script tag that links to the Canvas.js hosted file in your HTML's head section, and you're all set. This method is perfect for testing out Canvas.js quickly, without downloading or setting up additional files. It's especially useful if you want to experiment and see how Canvas.js works before committing to downloading the library. It's fast, simple, and gets you up and running in no time. If you'd rather download the library, head over to the Canvas.js website, where you can grab the latest version of the library. Once downloaded, extract the zip file into your project's directory. Then, just link to the local file in your HTML. This approach is ideal for larger projects, as you'll have full access to the library files for offline use. Either way, Canvas.js offers a straightforward setup process to suit your needs and workflow. Let's get your first Canvas.js chart up and running. Start by creating a basic HTML structure, then add the Canvas.js script to the head section of your page. Next, create a div where the chart will be rendered. This div will hold the chart once it's generated. Don't forget to assign an ID to this div so we can reference it in our JavaScript. Now that your HTML structure is ready, it's time to write the JavaScript code that will generate the chart. Let's move to that next. In your script tag, the first thing you'll do is create a new instance of Canvas.js chart. This object requires two main inputs, the ID of the div where the chart will be displayed and a configuration object containing the chart's options. For now, let's keep it simple with just a chart title and some basic options like axis labels. You don't need to worry about data yet, we'll get to that shortly. Let's start by setting up the basic chart structure. Here's the basic setup: a Canvas.js chart object with the chart container div ID, and an options object where we define the chart title and axis. In this step, we'll leave the data array empty. Don't worry if it's blank for now, This is just the skeleton of your chart. The main goal is to get the chart displayed with the necessary structure in place. Once you're comfortable with this, we can move on to adding some data points to make it interactive. Now, let's make your chart look more polished. CanvasJS makes customization incredibly easy. You can change the title font, adjust the axis labels, or add grid lines for better readability. Want to make the chart's color scheme match your website's theme? It's simple. Just modify the options object, and you can control everything from the colors of the data points to the grid lines and axis styles. With CanvasJS, your charts will not only function well, they'll look great too. Next, let's add some data. Each data point in CanvasJS is represented as an object. For a line chart, you'll need both X and Y values. For example, in a sales chart, X could represent months, and Y could represent the sales for that month. Once you've added your data points, CanvasJS will automatically plot them on the chart. You can also customize the data points by adding labels, colors, or even different shapes for extra visual appeal. Once the chart is set up with its data, it's time to render it. To do that, simply call the render method on your CanvasJS chart instance. This finalizes the chart and displays it in the div we created earlier. You'll now see the chart live on your page. It's as simple as that, one method to trigger the rendering process, and your chart will appear on screen. This process is quick, so you can see your changes immediately after making updates. As you get comfortable with the basics, you'll want to explore the many powerful features CanvasJS offers. You can add tooltips for interactive data exploration, set up animations to bring the chart to life, and even handle events like mouse clicks or hover effects. These features make your charts not only more functional but also more engaging for your audience. The CanvasJS documentation has tons of examples to help you integrate these elements smoothly. Thanks for watching. Now that you've learned the basics of creating a CanvasJS chart, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. In the next videos, we'll dive into advanced charting techniques and explore even more CanvasJS features. Stay tuned, happy charting!